Back to my channel. Today I am going to show you another kind of Christmassy eyeshadow. Let's just get started. So today I'm going to be using the Ace Beauty, the one I got from BoxyCharm. And I am going to be using the shade Poppy and Mistral. So let's get started with that. And I'm using the Lexi 121 brush. So I'm just gonna go around right on just top of my eyelid, and I'm going to try to make just the eyeliner straight up right here across.
I'm just gonna roll it around the crease of my eyeball. Make it a little bit darker.
And then now I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. I'm going to be using this brush. It doesn't have, it's just a eco brush, like line brush like that. And I'm just gonna add the concealer all along the bottom and then make it into a wing. Okay, and now I'm going to grab just a little brush like this and use I do not know how to pronounce this, use this shade to dry off that concealer. And just use a little bit, just dab it on there. Okay, and then now I am going to use the Still shade of the, yeah, so let's grab, I'm going to use a brush like this. And you're just gonna place it onto your lid. And I'm gonna add a little brown into the poppy because I did not make it dark enough. So I'm going to use a little brush like this, which is the Lexi 141, and I'm gonna use the cinnamon. And I'm just gonna rub it into that poppy color. To make it a little bit darker, just like as the gold. And then that is all. You need to add more of the gold just to make it more shimmery. Okay, and that's how it came out. And I'll see you right when I do this one. This is the final look. 2 of them done, and let's put on the full face with it. I'm gonna use this palette for my highlight. And I am going to use City Lights.
I know you can't see the highlight, but I'll show you right when I'm finished with everything. And I'm going to use
This lip gloss. It's from BB Lipstick. And a medium brown lip liner.
go away. What's up?
And then last but not least, setting spray. And this is your final look. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share if you like this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.